as someone who has zero coding knowledge, this all seems complicated, although I am learning, and websites like Lovable and Replit advertise to individuals like me who have no idea what we're doing. That is very common to you, Mo. You are not alone in that feeling, in that perception. It definitely has that, hey, anybody can build something. And it's not wrong. Anybody can build something, but you will hit a point where your build will start to go less than optimally if you don't expand some of your knowledge set to accommodate the new things that you're building and the new pieces of equipment that you're working with. And that is exactly why I hold these sessions, is to give you exposure to these things that can help you build better and faster. And these are recorded and put on YouTube. So it might be a lot to take in as I'm doing it right now, but you can go back and watch them and pause and follow the steps. And before you know it, you're going to be a lot more knowledgeable about what you're trying to do. It's going to be pretty cool. And Tony, yeah, you were back there not too long ago, but you've been showing up on these for quite some time now. And it sounds like it's really working out for you. You're now building apps for people and it's paying off. That's the idea. Mo, if it's a little overwhelming right at this moment, don't let that put you off. Just soak it in. Go back and rewatch the videos on YouTube. You'll take away little nuggets. You'll find that over time, it just becomes easier and easier to accomplish what you're trying to accomplish.